Welcome to My COVID Record. My COVID Record is a secure website that shows you your COVID-19 records. You can use My COVID Record to request an official record of your COVID-19 vaccination status. With a My Vaccine Pass for use in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and a separate international travel vaccination certificate for travelling overseas. My COVID Record is secure. We take your privacy seriously. Only you can see your records. Your account must be verified with a valid form of identification so that we know it's you. Signing up for My COVID Record. To sign up, visit www.mycovidrecord.health.nz. When you're ready, click Get Started. Enter your email address. We will then email you a verification code to confirm your email address. You will also be asked to provide a strong password to protect your account. Enter the details of your chosen form of identification. Your National Health Index or NHI number will be matched to your account from the identification you provided. For a small number of people, their records don't match straight away. We will find your details and contact you when you can access your records. Usually, this only takes a few hours. Request a vaccine pass or international travel vaccine certificate. Once you are logged in, you can request a My Vaccine Pass to use in New Zealand or an international travel vaccination certificate. Click Request Pass or Certificate. The process will take 1 to 2 minutes. Choose your pass type. Choose where you want your pass or certificate sent to. Then click Request Pass or Certificate. You will receive your vaccine pass in your email or international travel vaccination certificate within 24 hours. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Need help? If you cannot get online or you need to request a vaccine pass or international travel vaccination certificate on behalf of someone else, please call our friendly team on 0800 222 478. Thank you.